Alright entrepreneurs, listen up. If you're looking to make serious money with Go E1U Life, I've got the blueprint for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Register and activate the $25 board in your account. Simple, right? Step 2. Now you're positioned to earn $175 repeatedly. That's right, over and over again. Step 3. Bring in 2 people using your link. The first goes on the left, the second on the right. Boom! Your first level is filled. Step 4. Teach your recruits to do the same. If each of your 2 recruits brings in 2 people, you'll have a total of 4 on your second level. Simple duplication, folks. Step 5. Those 4 recruit 2 each, and voila, your third level is filled. Here's where it gets exciting. Step 6. The third level is your pay line. You'll receive 7 payments of $25 totaling $175. The 8th payment cycles you out and opens a new $25 board to earn $175 again. Repeatedly, baby. Step 7. Use $100 to activate the $100 board and keep $75. You'll earn 7 payments of $100, totaling $700. The 8th payment cycles you out into a new $100 board to earn $700 continuously. Step 8. Use $500 to activate the $500 board and keep $200. You'll earn 7 payments of $500, totaling $3,500. The 8th payment cycles you out into a new $500 board to earn $500 repeatedly. Step 9. The same concept applies to the $1,000, $4,000, and $8,000 boards. Keep leveling up. Step 10. Each time you cycle out of any board, your team of 14 follows you to each new board. That's teamwork in action. Step 11. Once a new board opens, all team members get cycled out together repeatedly. Together you rise. Step 12. Your task? Find 2 people for your first level, 4 for your second, and 8 for your pay line. This can be through your recruits or theirs. Final note. You're set for life, except for filling any gaps that may occur. This is an incredibly powerful system. Now go out there and dominate. Catch you on the next level, champ.